OpenAI, the company behind groundbreaking AI technologies, is now exploring humanoid robotics. Recent reports suggest OpenAI is considering developing its own humanoid robot, and their investments in robotic startups hint at big ambitions. Let's dive into what we know so far and why this could be a game changer. OpenAI's renewed interest in robotics. Over the past year, OpenAI has shown renewed interest in robotics through strategic investments. For instance, they've backed Physical Intelligence, a startup valued at $2.4 billion. This company develops autonomous robots capable of performing tasks like cleaning tables and sorting trash entirely on their own. Another key investment is Figure, a robotics company valued at $2.6 billion. Their humanoid robot demo showcased robots understanding commands, serving food, and organizing dishes, while explaining their decisions in real time. This highlights how OpenAI's large language models can enhance robots' ability to interact intuitively with humans. Additionally, OpenAI has invested $100 million in 1X Robotics, known for their sleek and quiet humanoid robots. These robots are designed to operate efficiently and integrate seamlessly into everyday life, offering a glimpse into the future of human-like machines. Why OpenAI left robotics and why they're back. OpenAI initially disbanded its robotics team years ago due to challenges like limited data and the complexity of scaling hardware development. As Alia Sutskever explained, progress in robotics heavily depends on the availability of data and compute. Back then, the resources needed to gather sufficient data made it impractical to continue. Today, advances in simulation technology and data generation tools have changed the game. Systems like NVIDIA's Isaac Gym allow for faster, more efficient data collection in virtual environments, making it easier to train robots for real-world tasks. This shift has reignited OpenAI's interest, and they've since revived their robotics team. Competition in humanoid robotics. OpenAI isn't the only player in the race for humanoid robots. Tesla's Optimus robot is set to revolutionize industries, with experts predicting its potential to add trillions to Tesla's valuation. Similarly, Google DeepMind has partnered with Aptronic Robotics to combine cutting-edge AI with advanced hardware. The humanoid robotics market is becoming highly competitive, with significant stakes for the future of AI-powered machines. Potential and challenges. Developing humanoid robots isn't easy. Hardware is a far more complex challenge than software, requiring significant resources to scale. OpenAI's initial hesitation to pursue robotics stemmed from these difficulties. However, with advancements in simulation and robotics technology, OpenAI is better positioned to make a meaningful impact. The economic potential is massive. Humanoid robots could transform industries like manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and even customer service. Imagine robots capable of handling complex tasks with human-like efficiency and adaptability. It's a future that could redefine global markets. Conclusion. While OpenAI hasn't committed to building its own humanoid robots yet, their investments and expertise in AI suggest they're gearing up to play a major role in the field. Whether they focus on partnerships or eventually develop their own hardware, OpenAI's influence on robotics is set to grow. As the humanoid robotics space heats up, all eyes will be on OpenAI to see how they navigate this exciting new frontier. What do you think? Will OpenAI build their own humanoid robot? Let us know in the comments. And there you have it. OpenAI's potential journey into humanoid robotics is as fascinating as it is ambitious. Whether they develop their own robots or continue shaping the industry through partnerships and investments, one thing is clear: the future of AI-powered robotics is closer than we think. What are your thoughts on this exciting development? Do you think OpenAI will create the next big thing in humanoid robotics? Share your opinions in the comments below. We love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates about technology, AI, and robotics.